This man!
You're killing me, $800, sir! Sir, let me cover. Cover me. Cover me. Shoot. You be mumu. $800! Sir, yes, sir! Grenade now! Sir! Grenade now! Go! Yo! Blood! Come, sir, come! Yeah. The grenade! Yeah. Comrade. Sir, yes, sir! What are you holding? The pin! And the bomb. Yeah! Holy moly. Captain, we can't give up here.
Lieutenant, I am tired. I need to go home to my wife. No.
Oh!
$800, what are you doing?
Oh! Surprise, motherfucker!
What are you doing?
See, listen, shut up. I've always hated you, Captain. If I see you as this snake, I kill you first. Oh yes, I kill you first. I hate you. Now listen, let me give you the shocking one.
Think about this.
Try. Oh my damn! I'm gonna blow your fucking hands off, bro. Keep the hands back, bro. Keep it back, bro.
Just trying to blow fly.
But yeah, exactly. You blow the fly. Now listen, bro. I smashed your wife. Yeah! Oh no, sorry. Point of correction. I'm smashing your wife. Yeah, I'd like to see you get angry. I punch your babe more than. In fact, I'm punching your babe.
Hey, Jesus Christ!
Empty as she comes. Oh, I'm gonna blow your fucking heads off, Captain. Holy moly, right? Holy moly, you motherfucker! I'm gonna smash your head. Go back home to your wife. Give her a little bit of fuck, and come back to my wife. Fuck. And you watch.
Jesus!
May God not allow them make them kill you.
Boss man, I swear to God, na prank. God, na prank with this since God, na prank. And I know they punch. Okay, I punch.
How do you smash my wife again?
You be mumu.
She no come.